talking to mommy? Okay. Huh, huh? What are you talking? Are you trying to see mommy on one side? Oh, yes. How is your life? How is your life, baby? How is your life? Is it good life? Yes. Are you telling mommy fairy tales? Hmm? Okay, so there were some dogs and some spiders, and they were fighting with each other. No, are you watching mommy's mouth? It's so much fun. Davi nako. It's so much fun. Yes, and the spiders were spitting out some substances everywhere. And what did the dogs do? Oh, the dogs were drowning inside that liquid? Yes, baby. Now you tell me, you tell me fairy tales.